Today we will explore together how to use a multimeter and an LCR meter to measure some common electronic components, helping everyone better understand circuit health. First, let's see how to test a fuse with a multimeter. Touch the probes to both ends of the fuse. If the multimeter beeps and the resistance is close to 0 or a few milliohm, this indicates the internal conductor of the fuse is intact and the circuit is connected. Next, let's look at how to measure a capacitor. Switch the multimeter to the capacitance mode. Touch the probes to both ends of the capacitor, but remember to discharge it before measuring to avoid damaging the meter or getting false readings. When using a bridge to measure a common mode inductor, ensure the probes touch the two winding terminals of the inductor. Set the appropriate measurement mode and frequency. Next, we use the multimeter's diode mode to test a bridge rectifier. A bridge rectifier consists of 4 diodes. Test their forward conduction and reverse blocking performance one by one. Cement resistors are typically used to limit current or absorb instantaneous power surges. When measuring a cement resistor with a multimeter, touch its two pins. Finally, we use the multimeter to measure a rectifier diode. Set the multimeter to diode mode. Connect the red probe to the positive pole. Connect the black probe to the negative pole. That's all we have for today.